So here I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a bio on Instagram. It's actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this entire video all the way through so you don't miss out on any steps. The very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our Instagram account. Now, once you are logged into your Instagram account, you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the bottom right-hand corner, which is going to lead you over to your profile page. So as you can see, this is my profile page, and my current bio says official Instagram account of How To Guru, which is my YouTube channel that you're watching right now. So if you want to go ahead and add a bio or just change your bio, simply go ahead and click on Edit Profile on the left-hand side. And then right over here, you're going to be in your Edit Profile section. If we scroll down just a little bit, you can see right here it says Bio. Go ahead and click on that. And then go ahead and delete your Instagram bio if you want to change it, or just go ahead and make your bio, change it, and then you say literally whatever you want in your bio. Hello, I am the guy from How To Guru, and keep in mind that with your Instagram bio, there's actually a character limit, where right over here at the bottom right hand side, it says I have 115 characters left. So you have a total of actually 150 characters, and if you go over that, then you're not going to be able to update your bio. So as you can see, if we go over that, you can't click on that check mark on the top right hand side. So you have to make sure that you are within the 150 character limit. And once you have done that, simply click on the check mark and then click on the check mark again just to confirm it. And there you go. As you can see, I have now updated and changed my Instagram bio.